Are you worried about living alone after your knee replacement? This video includes a step-by-step guide on how to shower and go to the bathroom after a knee replacement. First off, preparation is key. Setting up your home before surgery will make things easier after surgery. This includes installing a shower chair, grab bars, a handheld shower head, and a tub transfer bench if using a bathtub. When entering the shower, position your body sideways with your non-operated leg closest to the shower. Turn your walker so the back of the walker is against the shower. Place one hand on the walker and the other hand inside the shower, bringing your non-operated leg into the shower, then your hand, and finally your operated leg. When exiting, hold the shower bars, step sideways out of the shower, leading with your operated leg. Grab your walker and bring your non-operated leg out of the shower. When going to the bathroom, start by backing up to the toilet. Slide your operated leg out in front of you, reach for the arm supports, and lower yourself to the toilet while extending your surgical leg. Once you have finished, extend your surgical leg and use your non-surgical leg and arms to push yourself up.